Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert text on top of a picture in Microsoft Word just like this. The text and the picture are not fused together, but exist separately. It means you can always edit or modify the text later down the line. So here's the guide. First, what you need to do is insert a picture to the document. You can do so by going to Insert and then select Pictures, and from here you can choose from various options where do you want to get the image from. Okay, now I have a picture. It's time to add some text on top of it. Now go to Insert and then select Text Box and just hit Simple Text Box. Okay, now the text box is messing up with the document, but don't worry, we're going to solve the problem later. You can start typing the text you want to add to the picture. I'm going to write some simple text like Welcome to NYC. Beautiful. Now it's time to put the text on top of the picture. Click Layout Options and then select this option, in front of text. The picture is now behind the text. You can close the layout option menu. We have pretty much accomplished our goal today, but it's not perfect. For example, there is a white background behind the text and we're going to remove that. Just select the text box and then go to Shape Format, click Shape Fill, and then select No Fill. The white background is gone now. However, there is still another problem. If you see around the text box, there is actually a very thin line called outline. Thankfully, we can remove that as well. Just select the text box and then go to Shape Format again, click Shape Outline, and select No Outline. Beautiful. Our next step is decorating text. Maybe we want to change the color, the size, or maybe the font type. You can do so by selecting the text and then go to Home. Here you can increase the size of the text. You can change its color and also change its font type. You can also change the text box size and position. Okay, wonderful. And that's pretty much how to add text on top of the picture. However, I think there is another problem. The background and the text color are not fit. Maybe I could use something dark like a black color to the text, but there are other alternatives you could try. One of them is just adding shadow to the text. To add shadow, select the text and then go to Shape Format, click Text Effects, Shadow, and select the type of shadow you want. Now the text is much more visible than the previous one. But what if you don't want to change the text color and instead you want to change the visual of the picture? Thankfully, Microsoft Word comes with a lot of visual effects you could apply to a picture. For example, I'm going to show you how to make the picture darker. Click the picture and then go to Picture Format. Here you can choose corrections, colors, artistic effects, transparency, and many other effects. But here I want to make it darker, so the white text will be much more visible. There you go. And the text is now much more visible and readable. I think that's pretty much it. I hope this video helps you, and if you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And in any case, thank you for watching.